Hi, I'm Amy Giaquinto and I am Mama Fix-It. And on today's episode, we are going to learn how to clean out a car very quickly. Do you ever come home from a vacation or a trip or just at the end of the week, your car looks like this? I mean, this is ridiculous, right? Well, I have a quick and easy solution. What you're going to need today are earplugs, eye protection. You're going to want your trusty leaf blower attached to an extension cord, and you're going to want 2 kids with trash bags and safety goggles and ear protection. Let's get started. Yeah. Step 1, you are going to want to remove the car seat or the booster seat. We will deal with this in a minute. Step 2, you're going to have both of your kids stand near the exit on one side. Dun, dun, dun. Doesn't he look happy to be doing this? And then we're going to run over here, and I'm going to stand on the opposite side, and I'm going to pick up my leaf blower. I love my leaf blower. Run, run! And all you're going to do is you are just going to blow the stuff out of the car. See? All right, you ready? Here we go. It's going to clean it. And just like that, you have your kids pick it all up, because if they don't pick it up, they lose it.
Oh, that's where it went.
And now that all of this is cleaned up, we can blow off the car seat, the booster seat, like this. Look at how clean my truck is. And it only took a couple of seconds, and it was so much fun, and I didn't even have to vacuum. So this is Amy Giaquinto. I am Mama Fix-It. If you like my videos, please be sure to like them and subscribe, and you can even comment below. Also, you can check out my website at www.amygiaquinto.com. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye. I love my leaf blower. I love my leaf blower.